alarm stop ringing in silent mode or in vibration mode in Android device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you why your alarm stop ringing in silent mode or in vibration mode in your Android device. So if your Android device alarm has stopped ringing in silent or vibration mode, you can try the following solution. So first of all, you have to check your alarm volume setting. You have to navigate to your device setting here. Once you are on your device setting, you have to go for the sound and vibration. Just click on the sound and vibration. Under your sound and vibration, you have to tap on the alarm here. So you can see the alarm volume. Ensure the alarm volume is set to an audience level. So sometimes the alarm volume is separate from the main volume setting. So even if your phone is on silent, the alarm volume needs to be turned up. So if this is low, then you have to turn it on. So you have to increase the alarm volume here. Also, you can go back and you have to go to your setting and you have to go to your notification and control setting here, and you have to pop up your app notification here also. So if you have set your mobile device to do not disturb, you have to simply scroll down our navigation bar and you have to unselect that and disable the do not disturb here. So after that also you can go and open up your clock app here. Once you have opened up your clock app, you have to set the specific alarm setting and you have to ensure that alarm sound is selected and not set to none or very quiet tone. Here you can see that. With the help of this simple step, you can easily fix your issue that your alarm stop ringing in the silent mode or vibration mode in your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.